Click link in description to see deals on green and energy efficient dishwashers. Again, before we get into the video, if you are looking for sales on dishwashers and want to skip video, click link in description. In this video, we will explore the green future of dishwashers, including emerging technologies and advancements in eco-friendly dishwashing. We will also look at the major players in the green dishwasher industry and how they are revolutionizing this industry with their cutting-edge products. Top reasons to wait for your next dishwasher to be green. The dishwasher has evolved from a mundane household appliance to an environmentally conscious device. The dishwasher, if you wait for the next iteration, will be even better and more efficient than they were before. They can help reduce water and electricity consumption. Dishwashing technology that uses less water is more eco-friendly. They can also use less energy and power to do their jobs favorably, or at least favorably enough. The new dishwashers are trying to save on water through the use of a heated rinse cycle, which uses less water while still getting rid of food particles from the dishes. Some dishwashers have been equipped with sensors that detect when there is not enough detergent. How one-step wash cycle is saving thousands of gallons of water every year. The one-step wash cycle is a new machine that the company has designed to be more efficient and conserve water. The machine has a rubberized drum that can be filled with up to 9 pounds of clothes, which means it only needs a small amount of water for a full load. Some people may think that you will have to use more detergent because there is less water, but the company has made sure that this does not happen by making the detergent more concentrated so you can use less of it and still get great results. 4 tips for saving on your energy bill every month. Here are 4 tips to help you save on your energy bill every month. Turn off lights and electronics when not in use. Try to keep your home temperature between 68 Fahrenheit and 72 Fahrenheit during the day, and don't set your thermostat below 60 Fahrenheit or above 78 Fahrenheit at night. Invest in a programmable thermostat which automatically adjusts the temperature of your home to a comfortable level while you're asleep or away from home throughout the day, saving you money on heating costs, cooling costs, and energy consumption overall. Use a programmable lamp timer to turn off or dim lamps that aren't needed for several hours after sunset or before sunrise each day. This will save you money. Why you shouldn't waste time waiting for the future of dishwashers. In the past, people had to wait for years before a new technology reached the mainstream. But nowadays, thanks to the internet and a more connected world, technologies usually reach the mainstream in a few months. This is why we should not wait for the future of dishwashers to come. We can already get them now. This new line of dishwashers offers some cool features such as voice control and app-enabled capability through your smartphone. And they are also more energy efficient than ever before. Find your deals for your green and energy efficient dishwasher in the link in description. Like, comment, and subscribe.